YouTube, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Hank Sampson. I'm a high-ticket affiliate marketer, and this is video 5 in a series on how to make money online. Look, a lot of people sell courses for $5 or $10,000. I'm not into stupid guru nonsense. None of this is secret, most of it is fairly simple once you know it. What this particular course is about is how to go from $0 to $10,000 monthly income over the course of a year. I'm hoping that interests you. If it's your first time on the channel, though, you'll probably want to go back to video 1. If you want to watch this one then decide, great. I'm happy that you're here. But we'll be building on the work done in the previous videos, so starting from the beginning will help things make more sense. So, in this series, we're working with a company called HBA. It's a funnel builder, and it's literally $25 to get through the door. The reason I picked it is that it's affordable to pretty much everyone, and it's got everything you need for funnels to build out a business. We'll be using it here to build other businesses when I introduce other platforms I use to make money, because you always need a funnel builder. I won't go into more detail here so as not to bog things down, but go check out video 1 if you haven't seen it. So, video 5. We've already done a piece on shorts for TikTok, so today is Facebook and Instagram. We'll go into how they need to be handled a bit differently. First though, I've been getting this question a whole bunch. Do you need to use every site, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, etc.? Mostly it's do I really need to use TikTok? I'm not your boss. You don't have to do anything. I recommend that you do. But TikTok is a pain. It's poorly built and will ban your channels on an almost random basis. The thing is, there's a lot of eyeballs there. Making short videos is easy, and you can make as many free accounts as you like. TikTok is also good for research. There's a lot of side hustle videos and things on TikTok that you can rework into something for yourselves. You can even use the same music and the same hashtags. Seriously, it doesn't get much easier than that. If you just really don't like it, hey, I'm not here to tell you what to do. But if you seriously want to do this, then I'm going to say you should do all of them. TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts at the very least. Here's why. You have an affiliate link. The more people you get it, the more chances you have to get sales. That's what all of this is about. Fill up that sales funnel. Think of it like a funnel with a cork in it. You're just putting in possibilities, and that cork's there, the cork's there, the cork's there, the cork's there, the cork's there. And what happens is when you get enough pressure behind that cork, it blows the cork out, and sales just come spilling out the other end. Honestly, that's how sales seem to work everywhere. Internet, calls, going door to door, you name it. It's all about possible customers. And most people, just to be clear, aren't going to buy, at least not right away. Look, some people will just buy something if they like it. But most people don't operate that way. Most people have to see something 6, 7, 8 times, at least. You can have someone on your email list for ages, and then all of a sudden they just start buying things. It's crazy. It's like, they finally realize that you're not looking to scam them, but actually have something they want. Go figure. So, Facebook and Instagram can be handled more or less the same. Makes sense, they belong to the same company. There's even a way to have your Instagram posts pop up on Facebook. Okay guys, open up your Facebook. You've got stories and you've got reels. All you need to do is hit the little grid in the top left of your screen, next to the messenger icon, then go to create reel, and then you just select a video. By the way, if you are repurposing a video from TikTok, make sure that it doesn't have the little TikTok watermark on it. Either trim it off or make sure you have a clean copy or something. It doesn't look professional to have a video marked TikTok on another platform, and the more professional and credible you look, the more likely someone is to buy. So here's the thing. Reels don't have anywhere to put a clickable link. That's a problem, but an easy one to get around. What you can do is post it in the comments. So when you post the video you put in a comment with the link. In a TikTok video, you would say YouTube link in bio, but here you would say YouTube link in the first comment. This is one of the most important things when dealing with Facebook and Instagram. You have to make it possible for people to get to your main platform. I'm saying YouTube because that's what I use, but like I said, use whatever platform you want. Just make sure you have one and can direct people to it. So you post the video, then once it is up, you go to comments. Just go and put in your link, maybe a quick description, and hit post. Done and done. Instagram operates mostly the same way. So I have this video I shared, and now I want to make sure there is a link people can use. I go to comments, and here's the important thing. You put in what you want to say, your link, your hashtags, whatever, and then you pin it as your first comment. This makes sure that it is the first thing someone who is interested in your video sees. This is one reason you can't just repost videos from TikTok. In TikTok, you tell them to go to your bio for information. Here, you tell them to go to the comments. It isn't a lot of work to switch it over, but you have to do it or you'll confuse people. Oh, here is another neat trick. If you don't want to redo the whole video and change what you say, because, let's face it, the more talking you have to do the more time it takes, use captions. You already know how to use CapCut to add text. You can take your recorded video, save it, and then save 3 different versions of it. One has text somewhere, probably at the bottom, saying, go to your bio for links and information. That's the one to send to TikTok. The second says go to the comments. That one goes to Facebook and Instagram. The third is head to my channel for more information. That one goes on your YouTube Shorts. One video, a couple of minutes of tweaking, multiple platforms. Remember, you want to get as much coverage as you can for the amount of work you put in. You know, it probably takes me about a half hour to script, render, and edit and post to all of the different places. I mean, the rendering can take a while, but I'm not actually doing anything then. I usually use the time to script out my next video or do some research. Or maybe play with my kids. Honestly, I'd rather play with my kids, because they're awesome. This is starting to get long, so I'm going to wrap it up here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.